You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a proper get ready with me. I think I've not done this video in over a year, if I'm not wrong, because I've not done a sit-down video like this. So I'm really excited. I'm literally sitting on the floor and I'm trying out some lights. If this works, I'm sitting on the floor for the rest of my life. So yeah, let's get started with the get ready with me. Firstly, I want to do my hair, and I've fallen in love with these beautiful curls. I've seen so many people doing it so effortlessly, and most of them use Dyson. Now Dyson is really expensive. It is on my bucket list, but I don't know when I will ever get it. So I went for a cheaper alternative. You can achieve this in a fraction of a Dyson. So yeah, my hair is like freshly hair showered and all of that, and I blow dried my hair so that it looks straight. Usually my hair is wavy. You can see bits and pieces of it. So yeah, let's get started with a proper curling situation. I'm going to show you guys what color I have and all of that. So firstly, I'm going to just brush my hair a little so that there are no knots. And then I like to section off my hair. I take a very little section, like tiny sections like this. And usually you can also use these clips. These crocodile clips that you can get in Miniso or on Amazon. But I like to use this one for bigger, like the clutches that we use for sectioning off a bigger part of the hair. Alrighty, I section off my hair, and for curling, I'm using a curling wand, and the wand that I'm using is from Alan Truman. I'm gonna leave the exact barrel number over here so that you guys can see. This is for about 4,000 or 3,000 or something like that, but I feel like this is very good. And if you're somebody who loves those loose curls, get a bigger barrel like this so that you can also do tight curls with this as well as loose curls. So it's really good. I just switched it on and it's at 75 degrees. It has an LCD display, so it's going up to 170. That is the temperature I like to curl my hair off. You can curl it on whatever temperature you want to do it. It's really good. And I think these curls last longer than my blow dry hair. Usually a blow dried hair lasts for about a day and a half or two, but this lasts for like 3 to 4 days and it's heating up. I can smell it. Also, whenever you're using a curling wand, if you're scared, please be very careful because you might burn any part of your body and it won't be good. So yeah, alrighty. For curling your hair, always I'm very scared because I've burned my face so many times with this. So please be careful. So whenever you're curling your hair, please curl it away from your face towards the other side because then it will make it look much more natural. So curl it, give it 2 seconds and leave it. Can you see this curl? I have a very short hair, so that is why it looks like this, but usually it's very prettier. So give it time and you will look and you will understand why it looks like that. Just curl it like this, wait like 2-3 seconds. Hand width. Yep. And now I'm going to do the entire part of it. So can you see there are like 2 different curled up pieces? So what I like to do is, and then I go in with this curler entirely. Alright, this is how it looks like curls as is. I'm going to enhance them a little bit. I'm going to do the entire hair and then be back for you guys. Alright, this is half of my hair done. It's all curled up and pretty and all of that, and this is the other half. You can see the difference, how frizzy and all it is and how presentable it is. I did not even like loosen the curls. It's as is. I'm going to do it after my makeup. So I'm quickly going to do the other section really fast. It took me 15 minutes to do this because I'm still new. I'm still finding out different ways and trying not to burn my fingers. So yeah, I'll do this and I will. Alright, this is how my hair looks with no brushing out. Like, can you see these curls is so beautiful, right? So now what I like to do is I take my comb and I just brush through them very lightly, not too much, not too, so that, you know, just to like loosen the curls, and that's all. And you can still see the curls. So the first day the curls are a little extra because, like, dude, you don't want to like loosen them too much because you're not gonna have curls for the rest of your week. So I really love this one. This is so pretty. Even this one, maybe I'll do it a little more. Yeah, can you see that? Beautiful. Alright, let's get started with makeup. I wanted to talk to you guys about a lot of things today. So the first one is, what are your plans for Valentine's Day? Last year for Valentine's Day, I remember we were just in the house. Oh wow, I'm done with my foundation. Last year for Valentine's Day, we were just in the house. We were doing nothing. Maybe this year, I still don't have anything planned, but I definitely want to go out somewhere because it's been a while since we've gone out because of the beautiful virus that we have around us. So I'm still not sure whether we'll be going out. You know what? You guys have seen me doing the foundation a lot of times. So let me be back with my base. Alrighty, I'm done with my base. I literally went ahead and used the foundation, a concealer palette. I did a little bit of contour because nowadays I am into contour. So I'm just gonna like brush it up a little bit so that it looks much more softer. And then let's go ahead with a blush. I like to do my makeup reverse. Usually people go with the eyeshadow and then do the blush. But I am somebody who likes my face together really soon. So I'm going to go ahead with the blush. And for blush today, I'm going to use this beautiful palette from LA Colors. They make some really good palettes. And I'm using... See, I want this to be like, I want to do 3 different looks because I have 3 different outfits like I told you guys. So I'm going to make it much more neutral as much as possible. So I'm going to use this shade, the tan shade. And I'm going to mix it in with this one a little bit. So yeah. Alrighty. Before going off, I wanted to ask you, I was asking you guys what are your Valentine plans. I do have a video that I filmed with my cousins wherein we were actually... shopping for Lalit. He's right in the other room, that's why I'm talking very slow. Yeah, so shopping for Lalit. I was actually shopping for him and I put it up. I did film about it, so I will be uploading my entire Valentine's Day video as well as the things that I did, like the gifts and all of that, on Valentine's Day. Or not on Valentine's Day, it won't be possible for me, but you know, the other day, the next day possibly. So yeah, I really like nowadays I've loved these blushes with a little bit of shimmer. It makes my work so easy. Like sometimes if you don't have the time and energy to like get your highlighter, you can literally apply the blush and you're done. Like look at how beautiful sheen it gives. It's so pretty. I use the e.l.f. monochromatic stick in the shade Rose, if I'm not wrong. I'm going to use my brow pencil. This is precisely my brow pencil in the shade 405. Alrighty, I'm done with my brows. The next step is for my eyes, and for my eyes I have so many palettes here. I have so many palettes and I still don't know what to do. Purple Haze palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. Really pretty shade. And I'm going to use it all over. I'm going to be much more neutral because I do have like pops of colors on my dresses. Alright, and then for my eyeshadow, I want to use the... Alright, I'm going to use this shade. Did it hit me? Yeah, I'm going to use this shade. Alright, and then I want to use something very basic. I'm using the... I'm just extra. I'm using so many palettes. You don't need to use so many palettes. You can use one palette and be done. I just am not using anything else. Very, 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 very light. Can you guys see this? It looks, I'm gonna like zoom you guys in. Can you see this? It has pinks, it has nudes, it has terracotta shades. So this is how I like the eyeshadows to be. That is how I usually like it also. And now for the best shade, I'm going to use a beautiful shimmer shade. I'm going to use this shade called as the Galaxy. This Galaxy shade, it's so buttery. These shades are good with hands. I couldn't talk while I was doing this because I was very scared I'm going to like mess it up. I'm trying to create this halo. Do you guys see this? It's a halo kind of an eye. I'm trying to create a really, really pretty shade. And then I'm going to use the same, I'm going to use a white shade. Just going to use it as a pop-up highlight over here. Not too much. I'm going to use the same shade that I used in my inner corner to highlight my brow bone, because I'm going in with the primary colors that I've used on my upper lid. I'm going to use it as a lower lid just to enhance. I'm not doing anything extravagant or anything extra. Now coming to mascara, and for mascara I have this Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes, are really beautiful. So I'm going to use, I'm not curling because usually this is a mascara that you can use without a curler. Can you guys believe my lashes? This is, I got them without even curling them. Like damn yaar. Huda Beauty does some beautiful lashes and their lash game is like extravagantly beautiful. I'm using the volume side for my lower lashes. Also trust me when I say this mascara, please be very careful with it, because if this mascara is used too much, you will have those spider looking lashes. So definitely not a good thing if you're overusing them. That's all. I don't like to do anything extra for my eyes. I do like to have it very simple. I do have a little bit of powder that I will melt it in. I won't remove it. Yeah, now coming to the best part. That is lipstick. I have so many lipsticks. So let's do it dress by dress. So yeah. Alright, I'm going to change my dress, be back so that you guys get a fuller look with how pretty this makeup looks and all of that. So let me be back. Oh, alright, I am back. This is how pretty the dress is. I love this dress. I wore this for my birthday. I think 2 years ago. I really, really love this. This is such a beautiful, it makes you feel very, bold colors usually give that sultry look. So I really, really like how pretty it is. And if you are somebody who also has these similar tones for your Valentine's Day, and if you want to be like bold out there, you can go in with a beautiful bold lip. This is in the shade La Femme, La Femme, whatever it is, by MAC. This is a beautiful shade. It's like a burgundy and rich in color and all of that. Can you guys see this look? It's so beautiful. I really, really love this one. Maybe this is one of the options that I want to wear.
Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you.
Alright, this is the look number one. It's very pretty, it's very sultry. I really like bold colors. So yeah, look number one is done. Let me be back for look number two. 1, 2, 3, let's do it. Alrighty, for look number two, I have this red option. I feel like Valentine's Day red is such a beautiful color. So yeah, this is how it looks like. My makeup is the same one. And for lips, I'm going on with a beautiful red again. And this is the Maybelline Lip Gradation. This is in the shade Red 02. I know that this is discontinued. And if I'm wrong, please let me know, because these are pigmented, really, really good lips.
Tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you
is how pretty the look is. Reds never go wrong for Valentine's Day. It's a pretty red, it's a beautiful red, and this lip also matches exactly because this is not like a bright red. It is more like a muted pink red. So it's really pretty. I like it. Everything matches really perfectly. I did not wear any accessories except this and my rings. Really pretty. I love it. Now let's do the last look and look number 3. Let's go. Alrighty, I'm back and look at this, a beautiful sexy number. It's so pretty. And who can go wrong with a sexy black lacy dress for Valentine's Day? It's a really pretty dress, and my lips got stained by the lip gradation, so you know that it is really good. And for this look, I wanted to be much more nude because already the dress is more sexier. If you want, you can definitely go on with the red, but for me personally, I like something nude. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. This is in the shade 20. Enjoy the view. It's a really pretty shade. Alrighty, this shade is not showing that much because of the staining of my lips. So I'm going to use another terracotta nude shade. This is from Miss Claire. Alright, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. This is my very quick, easy, sexy get ready with me for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot and you will enjoy it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.